Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to type cube in mobile keyboard. On mobile keyboards like Gboard, there are two ways to do this. The long press trick and for the number 3 and the text expansion trick for the more professional look. The first method is the long press method, which is the built-in way on the Gboard. So tap on the 1 to 3 button to go to the number layout. And now long press the number 3. A small pop-up will appear with the superscript cube symbol 3. Now slide your finger over the 3 and let it go. Another method is the text expansion method. If you want to type more complex equations like x3 plus y3, you can set up a shortcut. So Gboard does the work for you. For this you need to long press the cube and copy it first. And then click on the Gboard settings. Scroll down, click on the dictionary, click on the personal dictionary, and now select the language English, and now tap on the plus icon. So in the type word box, paste this 3, and now in the shortcut type cube and click OK. So whenever you type cube, Gboard will suggest 3 in the prediction bar. You just need to select it. So this is how it is simple. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.